Hey everybody, I'm Sean, co-founder and CEO of EduSynch, and in this video, I will be showcasing the latest upgrade to our remote proctoring extension in Canvas. As a student, before starting my exam, I must first agree to the terms and conditions of using the software. Before starting my test, I'm able to review the exam guidelines and even test my computer to make sure everything is working well. When ready, I launch the tool and begin the initial requirements walkthrough. First, I take a photo of myself. Next, a photo of my ID. With our focus on user privacy, we don't use any biometric data, and we are 100% GDPR compliant. As a third and final step, I record a 360-degree scan of my testing environment. I'm given 3 seconds to prepare and then 10 seconds to actually make my recording, after which I'll be able to review it and redo it if it's not up to par. It's important to note that all of these steps are fully customizable via the admin panel in Canvas, which I will demo in another video. Last but not least, I must share my screen. Doing so will close all the open windows and tabs in my browser. And now our exam has begun. Unlike other proctoring solutions, our extension doesn't require exam scheduling, and our 24/7 365 live support ensures that you are never left without assistance. Our user-friendly and non-invasive design means that there's no need for live proctors, and users can complete their tests with ease. During the exam, users are able to see themselves in a separate Chrome window. They can also access this by clicking on the EduSynch E-Proctoring logo in the top right corner. Combining the latest AI technology with human intervention provides the best of both worlds, allowing us to pick up on even the most subtle signs of foul play across any and all question types and exams. As I go through the exam, it's important to note that one of the key features is the lockdown browser with whitelisted URLs, which ensures that users only access permitted resources during their test. As you can see on the screen, every time I try to open a new tab or window, it's blocked by the EduSynch extension. And that's a wrap. Feel free to email us if you're interested in setting up a live demo. Thanks for watching.